This is a recap for Thursday, January 28th. And it's going to be a very short recap because we had a work period today. This is the last day of the quarter. We're halfway through the school year. So I just want to demonstrate a couple of things. I showed my class Math 7 resources. So everyone should be a member of Math 7 resources. So if you need an invitation, then please let me know and I can get you an invitation to join Math 7 resources. But here it is, and I added a new resource under the topic Quizzes. So every time we do a Quizzes activity in class, then that's going to be followed by a practice site. So yesterday we did a quiz where you converted decimals to fractions. Well, if you did that quiz and let's say you got less than half or maybe just half and you wanted to do better, you wanted to learn from it, you can click here and there's some choices. You could do just start it and it'd be just like a quiz, or you could do flashcards. So I'll do the flashcards first. So flashcards look like this. And if you want to know what 7/10 is as a fraction, you just flip it around and you see 7/10. And 7/10 is a fraction. You want to see it as a decimal, you flip it around and you can do the next one. And 1/2, I think that would be 0.5. And so I look and see 0.50, and I wonder, is that the same thing? So flashcards are a really useful tool. And so I'm going to stop this right here. And the one thing I notice is that it does exit me back to a different place, which I kind of don't like. So I'm just going to close this and go in again. And this time I'm going to show you, if you start, it feels just like a quiz that we normally do. And they're just very similar questions. So you could use that resource, and there's a description as to what type of problems. This is decimals to fractions, this is fractions to decimals. And I also put up one of a bit of a challenge. Number operations is a very challenging one. And you could do that with flashcards or kind of the regular Quizzes style. So that's one thing we did today. The other thing that I want to show you is I'll just go to period 1, but this is the same for periods 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is, pay close attention to up through week 13. Notice how this says the end of quarter 2. So everything below here is going to be on quarter 2 grades. If right now you check your student view, you're going to notice that there are 6 assignments that don't have any scores yet, and those are going to be entered today or tomorrow. And that's going to be it. I'm not going to add any more assignments after Desmos solving one-step equations is the last one you're going to see, plus extra credit. And everything else week 14 and beyond are all going to be put onto quarter 3. So that says the start of quarter 3 is week 14. So that's an update for Thursday, January 28th.